Welcome back. Let's continue from where we left off. Okay, so let's see what we need to work on in this change order. The lubrication system does not report the oil level low condition. This needs to be fixed to improve the uptime of the system and help avoid costly downtime. That's a good point. Let's review what we have for logic so far. Currently, the lubrication system says it will report a failure only if the backup pump unit will report a failure. And the backup pump reports a failure if it's been running and all of a sudden there's low flow coming out of it. Okay, so because of the direct wire you see attached between the backup pump and the lubrication system, that means they are set to be equal to each other. There's no other conditions that are added to that. So to edit that, we need to change to a different set of logic. So we'll just delete this one and we will start with a fresh logic. So the lubrication system will report a failure only while the backup pump unit reports a failure. And we'll check this box and say or. So the lubrication system reports a failure only while any of the following is met. So this is our or condition, so one or the other. The backup pump unit reports a failure, so that was our earlier condition, that's true. And then we need to know if the oil tank does not report that the level's okay. So we want to be able to alarm on both of those things, and there's our logic here. So it reports a failure if either of these conditions occur, and that's all it takes. We've now met that third change order condition. Good work. And that's a good stopping point. We'll see you in the next video.